Hey guys, TSL here, back with a brand new video. Now, in today's video, it's going to be something different than anything I've done on this channel so far. Basically, I am going to be starting to do devlogs as of the recent poll that I put out. Most of you guys said that you would like to see devlogs, which I am really happy about because this will motivate me to make my game and put out some good content for you guys, hopefully. So, as many of you guys probably know, I have been working on a game like Superpower Training Simulator over this past year to 2 years, and basically the series is almost to an end. It was a full step-by-step tutorial series, and after that series ended, I was thinking to take it upon myself to finish up the game, polish some things, make some new features such as a boss fight for it. And yeah, so this devlog series, or the first few episodes of this at least, will be about making that boss fight. And yeah, here's number 1. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here we have a little ring with a drooling zombie in it, except he's giant. And basically the first thing I'm going to do is whip up a quick script that will make him move around the ring to certain places. Alright guys, so I just finished making that script, and if I go ahead and play this, you see he starts moving around to all different places. And obviously in the final stage this will be much slower. You'll pause at every place like for about 5 seconds so you can start attacking him, and also at certain places we'll have him attack. So yeah, that's gonna be cool. But right now we got our little guy, or big guy, sliding around the ring like a weirdo. So anyways, that's the first part done, and the next thing I want to do is make a health bar for him. So let's whip up a quick GUI. Alright guys, so here we have like this little health bar GUI, and this green one will make it shrink with the health, and you see it like will appear with the red, but right now it doesn't have any functions, just kind of just sitting there. So let's make it so you can attack this monster that is drooling, and so that its health will go down. So the first thing we'll need for that is obviously a sword, so let's make that. Alright, so I made it so that the health bar will actually go down when you attack, and the text will also go down with it. I also made it so that you don't have the health bar unless you're in the ring. So as you see, I don't have it right now. Step into the ring and now I have it. If I go up to the zombie and just start attacking him, as you see the health bar is going down. But you see it like goes down in like those blocks, and it doesn't really look very nice. So I think I'm going to try and see if I can make an animation for it so that it will smoothly shrink down. Alright, so I got the animation for the health bar working. So if I go in and attack this, you see it shrinks down nicely and smoothly. And I'm probably going to change the time so that it does it a little bit fast. Alright guys, so here is the final product of the first devlog. We have our little zombie moving around every 5 seconds. He moves to a different spot. You enter the ring and his health bar will appear on the top of your screen. And if you go up and attack him, you see the GUI smoothly and nicely will, well, you know, go down as his health goes down. So as you see, everything works well, and probably the next thing I'll add in next devlog is going to be the health regeneration and making it so that when he dies he disappears for a little while. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of this devlog. If you did, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a ton, and we've been growing at a really slow pace recently. So please help me out, and please leave a like on the video and turn post notifications on so you don't miss the next one. Other than that, see you in the next one. Bye.